Hi. Yeah, it's me again, your local genius scientist. Did you know the microwave was invented by accident? A scientist was testing radar, and his chocolate bar melted. So naturally, I thought, I can recreate this. Step 1, add food. Step 2, add science. Everything was going great until it wasn't. But here's the crazy part. Microwaves just heat water molecules. Science happens. So yes, I almost burned my kitchen, but the coffee tasted amazing. Support these genius experiments before I invent something worse.